Hi guys, it's me again, Nikki G, and I'm here for Miracle's Kitchen. So for today guys, ang iluluto ko ay ground pork in tomato sauce with quail egg, or ang tawag ng iba kasi dito is picadillo. Pero ang alam ko kasi ang picadillo, ground beef yung gamit. So come on guys, let's start cooking. For the ingredients, we'll be needing garlic, onion, tomatoes, green or red bell pepper, potatoes, carrots, 1 kilo of lean ground pork, quail egg, tomato sauce, 1/4 cup of sugar, cooking oil, salt, and pepper. So, heat lang natin yung pan and saute natin yung garlic, onions, tomatoes, and ground pork. Tapos, lagyan na natin ng salt and pepper para maglasa na yung pork. Antayin lang natin ma-fry siya ng konti. Tapos, ilalagay na natin yung tomato sauce. Lagyan na natin yung tomato sauce. And yung 1/4 cup ng sugar. Tapos mag-add din tayo ng water. One cup of water. Tapos cover and let it simmer. So, ayan, kumukulo na. Lagay na natin yung potatoes. And carrots. Ayan, iluluto lang natin yung potatoes and carrots. Ayan, luto na yung carrots and potatoes. We can add the boiled egg. Favorite ko talaga. So, after boiling, put na natin yung bell pepper. So, pwede na natin i-serve with hot rice, of course. Ayun guys, sana you can try this recipe soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the future videos. Thank you for watching!